Hey guys, my name is Trina. In today's video, it's going to be a summer night makeup tutorial. The palette I will be using today is the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette with all these bright colorful that is great for the summer now. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I'm taking this yellow shade for my crease as a transition shade. Such a beautiful yellow. Since I want this look to be so beautiful and bright and colorful because it's the summer night, so I'm going to go in with this pink shade right here. It is going to go on my outer corner. I don't know what look I'm going to come up with, but it seems to me I'm going to pick the pink. So I'm going to carve out half of my lid and I'm going to use this beautiful blue shade right here. Such a beautiful color, right? So I'm taking this small skinny brush right here because I wanted to go on the half of my lid perfectly. Personally, I feel that a thick shader brush won't work well if you have like small lids like me, but if you have like big lids, I recommend to use like a bigger shader brush like this one. It is so big that that's yours, you know. Going back to this yellow mustard shade, it's gonna go on my crease again, just to like blend it in. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this Pretty Vulgar gel pot. It's just like this, and when you open it, it's like that, basically black. For mascara, I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs Major Volume Mascara. For face primer, I have the Milani Prime Protect SPF 30 face primer. This one I absolutely love for the summer. It can be summer morning, summer night, but for instance, I'm using this for summer night. Then for foundation, I'm going to use my Maybelline Superstay Foundation Shade is 128 Warm Nude. Need a little bit more. This sponge is so good by Realty. I definitely love the way that it like blends out this foundation. I have no problem with it, and it works well dried, so to be quite honest with you. For concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. I am literally obsessed with this. I heard so much reviews about this on social media. I'm like, let me try it for myself. And now I'm addicted to this concealer. It's so good. To set my concealer, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Mattes. This is the shade Creamy Natural. I absolutely love this setting powder so much. I love loose powders too, but this one is great. I absolutely love it. So I'm just like setting my concealer in because I don't want it to move when I go outside at night. So it is not gonna move. To bronze out my skin and highlight, I'm gonna use this Pure Sculptor palette. It's a highlight and contour palette. It is so beautiful. I honestly used this once and I never touched it again, so let's play around it again. So I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics Angled Bronzer Brush. This comes in a set for $14.99. I absolutely love it. If you guys like it, haven't tried the brushes, definitely try it. Okay, so to bronze on my skin, I'm gonna use this shade right here. It is called Inventor. And please note, these are very pigmented. It's high quality products. For highlight in the same palette, I'm going to use this one. It's called Trailblazer. Let's put some here, because you don't know. And I'm gonna put some on here. Just a little bit. For the lips, I'm gonna use this Bite Beauty, which I got in the set. It's Bite Beauty Amuse Botch liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Braised, and I'm gonna swatch it for you so you guys can see what color is it. Such a beautiful wine red, and I love it when I'm like going out at night. So once again, this is Bite Beauty Amuse Botch liquid lipstick shade Braised. Last and final before I forget, I'm gonna use my Eylure Texture No 117 lashes. These are the lashes that I absolutely love to wear at night. Why? Because it is lightweight. It feels like it has nothing. You have no lashes on. It feels super light. Like personally, I have tried other lashes that you could tell that you have it on because it feels heavy on your lids. So I'm gonna apply this on and I'll be right back. To set my face, I'm using the Coverfx Illuminating Setting Spray. I absolutely love this setting spray so much. You gotta shake it up real well. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, there will be new videos every Tuesday and Friday. If you want to see my recent makeup tutorial, then just click here. I'll see you in my next video.